Waterfall toilet. The month of the breed. Flora is known for its abundant subtropical flora, which can be observed and explored. The flora is characterized by exotic plants and flowers. It is all fine fauna. Inside we can observe wildlife species such as the spectacle deer that they can see occasionally, how capuchin, monkey, tapir, and others. The ball python is huge waterfall located 30 minutes from the city of Venice on the range to Puyo Pastaza in the parish of Rio Verde. Considered one of the biggest attractions in the area. The Pailón del Diablo has approximated 100. No vale ya. The Devil Pylon is a huge waterfall located 30 minutes from the city of Baños on the line to Puyo Pastaza in the parish of Rio Verde. Considered one of the biggest attractions in the area. The Pailón del Diablo has approximated 100 feet high. He is beautiful and impression waterfall. The people visit weekend of the Pailón Desert. It is the most impressive waterfall in the region, visited by domestic and foreign tourists. Water temperature is approximated 23. On the way from Baños to Rio Verde has these attractions: how Agoyan Hydroelectric, the three tunnels, the natural landscape, the mini waterfalls that are used to wash cars, sales of fruit from the area. It is very beautiful. The people visit the Pailón del Diablo.